So hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install SkyHawk and OrangeFox recovery in your Samsung device. For the installation process I am using my J7 Prime. Now in order to install the SkyHawk and OrangeFox recovery you must need TWRP recovery installed in your device. If the TWRP recovery mode has already been installed in your device then it is good, but if you don't have then you do not have to worry about this. In YouTube, you will get many videos related to the TWRP recovery installation and can easily install in your device. To install the custom recovery modes, all you need to do is turn off your device and boot your device to TWRP recovery mode by pressing the home button, power key and the volume up key at the same time. The installation of this recovery mode is similar to the custom ROM installation. You just need to go to install and then have to select your storage. In my case, I am using a OTG adapter. As you can see that I have these two recovery zip files. Let's reduce the brightness. By that, these zip files will be visible more clearly. One thing that I want to clear is from the TWRP recovery mode, you can change the recovery to SkyHawk and OrangeFox. Similarly, you can install SkyHawk to OrangeFox and OrangeFox to SkyHawk easily. Let's install the SkyHawk recovery at first. For that, just flash the zip file of this recovery mode. And once you have did that, reboot your recovery mode. So yeah, as you can see that the SkyHawk recovery has been installed and your device has already been booted to it. Now I am not going to talk about everything about the recovery mode, but yeah, I am going to show you a short look of these two recovery modes. Now let's install the OrangeFox recovery mode. Again just go to flash and then select your storage as before. Now just flash the OrangeFox zip file. And when the installation gets completed, this will automatically reboot your recovery mode to the OrangeFox recovery. So by that way you can easily install SkyHawk and OrangeFox recovery in your device. Let's have a look of this recovery mode. The main thing that I want to say that in the process of making this video the official version was not available, that's why the OrangeFox version is 10.2, but in this way you can easily install the official version which is available now. All the links of the custom recovery modes has given in the description box, and hope the next custom ROM installation videos will be OrangeFox based. That's why I am making this video. So that's it for today, and guys, I will see you in the next one. Please subscribe this channel and stay connected.